Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best monitor for 1660 Super. Hardcore gamers are constantly on the lookout for the next big thing to help them level up their gameplay, whether it is watching replay videos or getting the new technology. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best monitor for 1660 Super. Number 1. Zowie XL 2411p monitor for 1660 Super. Zowie XL 2411p 144Hz refresh rate is great for FPS games. Zowie XL 2411 is a 2.4 gaming monitor with an impeccable crystal clear 16:9. The Zowie XL 2546 also comes equipped with VESA mounting support. What's great about this monitor is that it's easy on the eyes. It also has equalizer technology designed to improve clarity and contrast, so it's easier to spot your enemies. Number 2. AOC G2590FX monitor for 1660 Super. AOC G2590FX, a tremendous budget G-Sync compatible FreeSync option. AOC low blue mode and flickers for well-being during extended gaming sessions. Rapid 1 millisecond response and 144 Hz refresh rate. AOC low input lag delivers lag-free display from the video signals. AOC shadow control shows more details in dark scenes without affecting the rest of the screen. Number 3. ViewSonic XG2401 monitor for 1660 Super. ViewSonic XG2401, one of the best monitor for 1660 Super. This monitor provides full HD resolution, its rapid response time of 1 millisecond and takes your gaming to a next level. Multiple connectivity options are also available, such as audio connections. Low input of AOC lag provides you with the best gaming experience. It has a quick response feature and a good mounting base. The colors are also cool and stylish. Number 4. Acer Predator XB241H monitor for 1660 Super. Acer Predator XB241H MIPR monitor, full HD display and quick response times. This monitor boasts jaw-dropping features, including a refresh rate of 180 Hz for impressive gaming. It should also be chosen for its tilting angle of -5 to 35 degrees. Its picture quality is the best. You will love this monitor. This gaming monitor will make you completely indulge in your game with its HD resolution. Number 5. Asus VG248QE monitor for 1660 Super. Asus VG248QE refresh rate remains the same all time. The Asus monitor increases the speed at which rendered frames are shown on a monitor. The refresh rate makes you enjoy your game the most. The company has also provided a quick replacement system. It provides the smoothest motion. Playback is also an option provided in it. It is the best gaming monitor for you.